anything you build or you buy a kit or whatever, you have to check it. Nothing is set it and forget it. You have to double check and look for leaks. Like for example, look at this emitter here, it's dripping. Is it serious that it needs to be replaced? No, it's dripping, but at least you know what's going on. You don't turn on, you don't leave it on a timer and then say, I'll see you in 10 days. Come back and check it regularly in case something breaks. What if the pump died on you? And in the list of the to-do list, or something to add in the to-do list, is every time you start a new crop and you're starting and refilling the tank, definitely take it out and scrub it. The picture doesn't show it, but it's little slippery, it's little slimy. If you do, eventually you're gonna have algae and you're gonna have a mess. So just for sanitation and prevention of clogging or any issues, this water tank has to be cleaned. So that's why we left the bottom shelf empty without any trays or anything, so that there will be two tanks, one in use and one as a spare. So when you finish, let's say this, you finish this as a crop, you take it out, and while you're washing it and letting it dry, you use the other tank in its place to so you use the second tank in its place, and this way this is getting washed and drying, and then you put it on the shelf next to it. So you alternate between this tank and that tank. Okay? And when I mean wash with hand and soap, is really scrub it well. An ounce of prevention is worth than a ton of cure. Whether pathogenic bacteria or algae, you definitely have to scrub it really well. So in the not to do list is to recycle the water. Let's say you're filling and you're testing, and they accumulate here in the bottom trays. Do not put them in that tank, because you see now this tank has media. You see the perlite, and look how dirty the water is. Okay, so the water is going to go through the media and then accumulates in the bottom trays, and then you recycle it here, and that can clog your water pump. So this system is a one-way system. Okay, if you were doing a flood and drain where it's dripping here and filling it, let's say half-inch height, so this soaks it up, then that's not an issue. There's no extra water that's going to go back to the tank. But the way we are running it, and we made a mistake, and now our water is dirty, and I wonder if that's clogging and we're getting odd numbers. So in the not to do list is to recycle the water from the bottom trays to the water tank.